Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install R and RStudio in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. Open your favorite browser and search for RStudio. Hit enter. Then you will get the official website for the RStudio. So click on this website. Now here we have to install both RStudio and RStudio. So we have two steps. So they have given us a button to download it. So let's start. So first we will going to install the RStudio. So click on this button. So you will navigate to this page. Now here we have the different operating system. So currently we are going to install it for Windows operating system. So click on Windows. Then click on this link to download as we are doing it for first time. So current version is R4.4. So click on this link to download. So it will start automatically downloading. Let's wait till download complete. Now we have to install the RStudio as well. So let's go back to this page and let's install this RStudio as well. So click on this button to download it. So it will start downloading automatically after clicking on this button. So let's wait till download complete for both R and RStudio. So we have downloaded both the application. So let's install it. For that, open it into folder. So first we are going to install the RStudio R and then we are going to install RStudio. So let's start. So open this exe file. So for that, double click on it. So it will ask you to allow this installation in your system. So let's click on S. Now here we have to select the language. So I'm selecting it as English only. Then click on next. Then accept the license and agreement. So just click on next. Now this will be the path where RStudio will be installed and all your files will be stored here. If you want to change this path, you can directly change it from the browse button. So I am going to keep it as it is. So let's click on next button. So these are the three main components which we need to install. So we are going to keep it as it is. Then click on next. So here just select the no and click on next. So this will be the folder. Then again click on next. Here will be the shortcut for this. So I'm just not going to click that. Click on next button. So just select this checkbox if you want to like a quick launch for this. Then click on next. So it will start installing. Let's wait till installation complete. Then we will install RStudio. So we have installed R. Let's install now RStudio. So click on this finish button. Now again open this file. Just double click on RStudio exe file. Again click on yes to allow. Let's close this. Now click on this next button. So this will be the path where your all RStudio files will be stored. Then click on next. Just create the shortcut for me. So I'm just adding it and click on install button. So it will start installing. Let's wait till installation complete. If you notice the RStudio R is installed in your system on our system. So we have installed RStudio successfully. So let's open it. So just click on finish button. Now go to search and search for RStudio. Click on open. Let's open it from here. So this is the console for the R. So let's try to run something first. Let's try to print something. So print statement, then open bracket. In that just write something like I'm writing hello, then comma, then we are writing quote equals to, in caps we are writing false, and just bracket complete, then hit enter. So it will print hello here. So in this way you can install R and RStudio in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.